Hi, my name is Thomas and I'm a service technician here in Innova. I will be talking about connectors and there are different kinds of connectors. So we have subcon connectors, Gleaner connectors and HD connectors. We use Molykote as our grease when connecting the connectors to them. Just a small bit on the female surface, just a small amount. On the female. We do this because it's easier to mate the connectors. And because it helps to spread them more evenly. It's harder on the HD connectors because of HD connectors have their own O-rings that you have to lube. After the first dive, it's important to check all the locking sleeves, especially on the 2021 pins, to see if it's loose, and if it's loose, it's important to tighten them again.